Well, today I am heading into Idlewild, hopefully. There is a rock slide ahead that is supposed to be kind of sketchy, so we'll see how that is. Hopefully I'll be hiking that over with some people. But that's the day, and then I'm going to zero, which I'm very happy to do because it's been a lot of steep climbing. So I'll show you the view I got right now. Pretty nice view, right? It's just the start of me hiking the trail. That appears to be the rock slide. See how it is getting over it. Well, I made it past the rock slide. Wasn't too terrible, but it's definitely a little dangerous. For sure, and it's good to do it with someone, not just by yourself, I'd say. But I made it. Now the next place to go is Saddle Junction to get off trail and get to Idlewild for zero day. Looking forward to that. Tree in the trail, another tree in the trail. Another down tree. Do a full zero, so sleep tonight in a hotel and tomorrow, and then get back on trail. I think my body could really use the time off the trail. I'm ready for a zero. I'm 0.8 miles from Saddle Junction, and then there's a bit more hiking to do from there. And then hopefully I can get a ride into Idlewild just past noon. So, and I got up at 5, got hiking by about 6. So definitely looking forward to being done for the day, but I still have some more to go. So here I go. I made it down. This side trail is 2.5 miles long, and had to do some road walking until I got cell reception. Called a guy named Michael who gives rides. And so now I'm waiting for him. Should be coming, I don't know when. But it's really nice not to have to road walk. I'm tired of hiking. Ready for my 0 to begin. So should be seeing him come through here soon. Alrighty.
You look so American.
Maybe not this time.
Is that American? Okay. Just so American. Wow.
This is the man. Stop touching my thigh.
I'm trying to
I've got a girlfriend. This is the man that you're dating. You chose it. I have no choice. He's my brother. I literally cannot get rid of him.
It's like some people, it's just like they don't